Now there are three ways I could actually approach this problem, the most direct of which is if I see that the goal is to get 3x plus 5, not necessarily just x, and both of these are even, in other words, divisible by 2, and by dividing them by 2, I produce the 3x plus 5 that I'm aiming for, well, obviously you can't just divide the left side by 2, you have to do the same to the right side. But notice right away I get my answer as 12. And that's the correct answer. However, if you didn't recognize, oh, I could just divide everything by 2 to get there, and instead try to actually solve for x first, well, that's okay. And you could do so by simply subtracting 10 and then dividing by 6. Obviously, that doesn't work out too nicely. You could reduce it by dividing both of them by 2, both the numerator and denominator. And since they want 3x plus 5, well, the nice thing there is when I multiply here, if I simply put the 3 over 1, I can see that these 3's cross cancel. And now I have 7 plus 5, which also produces 12. And the third and final way is I could go to my program of solver, which is program number 5. I could just press 5. And I can type in the left side as well as the right side. I get my value of x. Now the thing that is tricky there is I can't just go here and convert that decimal to a fraction because it was within a program. It won't give me the accurate value. We know that's not 1/2. And then if I do 3 times 2.3333 plus 5, I don't get an exact answer. But if you recognize that this is not an exact answer, and neither is this, you could easily assume that the correct answer ends up being actually 12. Obviously, the first approach was the easiest. The second one was easy enough that I didn't really need this program. But if ever you need it, it's there for you.